All right, we're coming in.
Oh my gosh.
All right, as we're pulling in much closer, you might probably guess that it's not contemporary. It is right next door, Bay Lake Tower. Again, this is the first time we're actually going to be staying at this particular Disney resort.
I gotta say, actually, like, seeing it is like
surreal.
Oh my gosh, we're actually staying here.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're doing this, guys. Yeah, look at that. Welcome home. This is our new home.
So the room is finally ready.
Oh my god. Oh wow, this is amazing. We finally entered the room.
That's magic.
Oh, and let me get a good look at the kitchen right here. Look at the stove. This is just mind-blowing, guys. I mean, the fact that we are staying here, and it's only our first night, but we're staying at Bay Lake Tower, and that's right next door to Contemporary. I mean, that is awesome. I mean, I can't believe that we made it to this point.
Day 4.
Good morning, everyone. So we just woken up in our room at Bay Lake Tower, and I think this will be a good time to kind of explore the resort a little bit, because we really need to take some time to soak it all in, because, you know, the fact that we're staying here, again, it's still surreal, and what we've seen so far, it's just mind-blowing, and I figure I might as well take you guys along for the journey, so let's get started.
Alright, so we made it out of our room, and we're gonna head over to the Contemporary to get some breakfast. Yeah, while we were walking around the resort, there was a lot of construction going on. Alright, we are inside, and let's head into the main atrium. Alright, we made it to Contempo Cafe, and now let's get some breakfast. So what do you see?
So I see coffee cakes, little coffee cakes. I see a chocolate croissant, I see a regular croissant, I see a double chocolate muffin, and I see a burrito. And then I see the cinnamon roll right here, which I will order at the registers behind us.
Oh yeah.
So I think that's what
79. Is it 7.79? Excuse me.
Yeah. So I think you and I are gonna get that one.
Probably. And while we were staying here, I just want to get a good shot at the souvenir cups. Yeah, these are always a staple whenever you're staying at a Disney resort.
Chocolate.
I remember when these started rolling out, they were like the best thing ever to have. And then the cups, they definitely changed over the years. Now, will I be getting any more at some point in the future? I don't know. I mean, I would say after getting this one, I don't know. I think I'm pretty stocked up on souvenir cups, but if I do get another one, then how about that? The monorail just pulled in. Oh, forgot. This is the express monorail. Forgot. It does not stop here. I'm guessing. I'm thinking that it stopped because it's due to traffic. Oh, there it goes. Alright, just got our food. Oh, look at that cinnamon roll. Man, I can't wait to eat it. Alright, just filled up my mug with hot chocolate, and now let's go eat. And you know, so cool. We wanted to come out this way. And look at that pool area. It's covered by trees, though. You can't see. Oh yeah, there's some kids going over to that little splash area. Oh, there's that Mickey photo op that I was talking about before. Oh look, here's a better look at the pool area. Oh wow. Look at that, coming up to the sandbar. Oh, this I think this is quick service here. Oh, yeah, look at that menu. Oh my gosh.
So you can come here and we can eat.
Yeah.
They have the sandbar. Oh, they have chicken queso. Yes. Frozen fruit cup, frozen grapes, french fries, make it shake. Ooh, I like this.
Yeah, I'm guessing maybe when we come here we can.
11 a.m.
Wait,
to
grab-
6 p.m. That's the grill on.
Oh yeah.
Come here. Okay.
Look at that pool area. Oh, cool. So we got a slide. I think is that a hot tub? Yeah, I think that's a hot tub right in the middle. Coming out to the pier, and I think this is where you can rent a boat and go around Bay Lake and then the Seven Seas Lagoon. Oh, I think that might. No, I think Discovery Island. No, Discovery Island is over on the other side. I think we're near the Polynesian and Grand Floridian are. Oh, no, that's not River Country because it's right nearby. I think. Yeah. What was that? What was the name of the place again? Lakeshore. Yeah, I always forget the name, but a new DVC resort across the lake is being built over there, which is where the abandoned River Country used to be. Honestly, this is a nice view. All right, so now let's get back into Bay Lake Tower and eat our breakfast. And hopefully we'll come back out here to explore a little bit more.
A few moments later.
I want to get a quick shot of the pool, and now it's daylight. You can kind of fully see it now. And honestly, the view of Bay Lake, that is so beautiful. At this point, I think we're still deciding on whether or not we should get in the Bay Lake pool or we should go into the contemporary pool, but I think we'll make our final decision once we actually head back down and go for a swim. All right, back to the room, and now it's time to eat.
Turn it up. That smells good. Or turn it down. Nice and light. Enjoy 40 days of freshness your way. I'm for your eyes.
Yeah, I really miss having a really good cinnamon roll like this. That is so good. Alright, so we just got finished eating. I say we're gonna lay around for a little bit and try to rest up so that we can hopefully go back outside to check out a little bit more of the resort. So we'll check you guys in a little bit.
More moments later.
Alright, so we're rested up. We got our swimming trunks on. So now we're about to go back outside and head to the pool for a little bit.
And now we are going out to the pool area of Bay Lake Tower. And boy, does it feel nice.
Yes, it is. Yes, matter of fact, it's very hot out here and we could use a good soak. And good thing that we're out here because I need to get a good shot at the other side of the tower. And we got this little fountain area, and then all these trees. Yeah, this is amazing out here. Oh, look at that! We got a pool table. We got a ping pong table. I think there was a chessboard over there. Some nice seats out here. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, it's cool. We got a little splash area in shape of Mickey, nonetheless. So I think we found a spot, and it's right next to the water slide, though. We're assuming under here is the way to the bathroom or something. That's for the bar.
Slide.
Yeah, this part of the slide. Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This is fun.
And here's a better view of the back of the tower. You know, it's kind of hard to hear. While we were out here, they're playing some music, and right now they're playing "Bop to the Top" from High School Musical. That's a classic of ours, isn't it? This is a really great view. Look at that, there's the top floor. And I heard from that observation tower, there's supposed to be a Villain's Lair event that happens up there. But one day, if we ever come back here, I definitely want to check out that event. Alright, we got a little beach area over here. Of course, we got a good view of the lake. And of course, the construction over there. I think one of the boats is out there right now. I don't think that's a guest boat. I think that's probably one of the cast members' boats or something. Yeah, I gotta say, it's just nice being out here in the sun, even though the heat is bothering us a lot. But we needed it, 'cause man, you feel, even though it's like, I think it's almost in the middle of February, but it definitely feels like the summer right now. And hey, that's the beauties of living in Florida. All right, Alexander's going in. It's cold, isn't it? Oh no. But hey, we need it, right? Because it's hot. Oh Lord.
Yeah, Guardians.
So I'm probably gonna Star Wars.
They're playing so much random music here.
They're doing a game.
And here's a nice shot of the slide.
Yeah, Splash Mountain.
Oh, well, you know, I just noticed they were playing a little bit of Splash Mountain there. Kind of a nice little tribute to the ride since it's now Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Now they're playing Pirates.
What's the first?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you know what's so cool? You know what's so cool? They just started playing Epcot music.
Epcot. There you go.
Is that
Epcot.
Epcot? Yeah,
Yeah, that was
Epcot.
Epcot.
That was
80s Epcot.
Yeah,
But it's nice being out here, isn't it?
it's very nice being out here.
Go. Go. Alright, come on, my turn.
So Brandon right now is trying to get in the water, and it's freezing. But knowing it be Florida, you know, I guess that's how they do the water. They like to do cold water. You guys think I should push him in? I think I'm gonna push him in. Yeah, I'm gonna push him in.
No.
Yep.
No.
1,
No.
2,
No.
3.
No. No. I got you.
All right.
2, 3. That is freezing.
Oh gosh. And Brandon has done it, y'all. Finally.
1 hour later.
All right, so we've been in there for, I think, wasn't it like an hour?
An hour, yeah.
Yeah. But definitely a good time. At least we got to float around for a little bit. And we did check out the slide, which was a lot of fun.
Yeah, the slide's really cool. I like the slide. It's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
So I like it.
Yeah, but now we're going to head back to the room, clean off, and we'll catch you guys in a bit.
8 hours later.
And I'll let you guys take in one final look at this view of Magic Kingdom, and then, of course, the Contemporary Resort right next door. It's sad that we're probably not going to see this again after tomorrow, but if we ever come back, you know, this will be a great experience. And I would say this experience was phenomenal, just being able to stay here for the first time, but it's going to be hard to say goodbye. All right, so we're back in the room. We cleaned off, and right now we're gonna get some sleep because
We're tired. But we had a great day, you know, just like exploring the resort a little bit and just like really taking in the amenities of it. I will say it's very, very convenient to be close to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Very, very convenient.
and we definitely need to take it in now
Yeah.
because tonight is our last night.
We check out tomorrow. I'm not happy about it.
But It's been a wonderful experience just to stay in Bay Lake Tower and being
Been incredible.
very close to Magic Kingdom and making our way through any of the other parks. It was pretty convenient.
It was so nice, and just this resort. This is a very historic resort. It was one of the first to open in 1971 when Disney World opened.
Well, the Contemporary opened. No, this opened in.
But
This
still,
opened.
but still.
This opened around the 2010s.
But still.
No, excuse me, around the 2000s. Excuse me.
But anyways, it's a lot of history, behind the way that this resort was themed, and so to actually kind of like stay here, it's kind of like it brings back some memories.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So thank you guys for joining us on this adventure through Bay Lake Tower and the Disney parks so far. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and shall we say it together?
Yep.
Have a magical day.